Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Know your advertised Mbps and any caps so you have a target. Connect your device by Ethernet and run a baseline speed test. This isolates Wi-Fi variables. Once done, disable VPNs and background sync apps to avoid skewed results. Reboot the modem and router now, and check firmware version and status lights. This often clears transient issues and tells you whether the problem is device, line, or service related. Next, diagnose hardware and configuration causes. Swap in a known good Cat5e or Cat6 cable and try different Ethernet ports to rule out a bad jack. Then, test Wi-Fi, move between 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands and change channel to avoid interference. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer if available. Update router firmware and reposition the router to reduce obstructions. Once done, enable Co-S to prioritize work devices so throughput goes where you need it most, improving perceived speed. To finish, verify improvements with repeat speed tests and document results. If speeds remain low, call your ISP and provide baseline numbers and modem logs so they can check signal levels. Make sure to ask for a line test and technician visit if noise or attenuation is indicated. If hardware is old, replace the modem or router with a supported model. Quick troubleshooting tip. If intermittent drops persist, test at different times. If only during peak hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.